Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about TedsWoodWorking. We at DAEC Reviews have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before purchasing TedsWoodWorking. Pay close attention to the important alerts we'll be discussing throughout the video, so you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing TedsWoodWorking. The first thing you need to know about TedsWoodWorking is to be cautious about the website you're buying it from because TedsWoodWorking is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the video description. So what is TedsWoodWorking and does it really work? The answer is yes. TedsWoodWorking is a kit with 16,000 carpentry projects ranging from basic to advanced. It comes with instructions for both experienced professionals and beginners looking to start a side business. The creator of this kit spent over 25 years developing it. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with TedsWoodWorking, including numerous testimonials on the official website. You can also achieve results. Ensure access today by purchasing through the link in the description. There's something really important you need to know about this product before buying. You can actually test TedsWoodWorking for 60 days. And if you don't see results or if you're not satisfied for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel confident in using TedsWoodWorking, but make sure you're buying from the official website to guarantee the benefits of the warranty. So I decided to record this video first to warn you to be cautious about the website you're buying TedsWoodWorking from. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that TedsWoodWorking truly helps to improve your life. Remember, the official website of the product is linked in the description below. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.